Over the last 8 months, we've been working on our big project renovation of the year, the Manchester Flip. Today, I get to share the half bath transformation. You go here, that's the sink, that's the toilet, and then all of this here is for the laundry. We wanted the half bath to be bright, to be airy, and to also feel very elegant. But sometimes it can be hard to elevate a small space. So we chose a beautiful brass sconce and a beautiful light fixture to really set the tone here. We also focus on little details like the subtle pattern on the floor tile, as well as a custom vanity for the beautiful sink. I really like how the sleek brass details from the light fixtures work well with the more rustic feel of the wooden mirror. We added a few pieces in black, like the unique leather strap towel holder and the black faucet, and they really complement the overall look in the space. I'll be sharing more from the Manchester Flip here soon, so check back.